Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to import and export plugins in WordPress. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in to your account using your credentials, or if this is your first time here in WordPress, you might want to click on the Get Started button here. It is very easy to create an account here in WordPress. All you're going to do is provide an email address or username, or you can simply continue with your Google account, your Apple account, your GitHub, or you can log in via app. And once you've done that, click on the Create Account button and you're all set. Now, importing and exporting plugins in WordPress typically refers to transferring plugin settings and configurations from WordPress site to another. However, WordPress doesn't have a built-in feature specifically for importing and exporting plugins in that manner. However, you can achieve this using a combination of methods, which is the first thing we need to do is go to our plugin section here in WordPress. Now you have two options. The first one is just go here in the plugin section, wherein all you're gonna do is search for widget export. Now when you click on it, there are popular options that is given to us, but one of the best that I can suggest is the widget importer and exporter right here. Click on that, and again, these are the four sections that you might want to consider reading. The details, because the widget importer and exporter is useful for moving widgets from one WordPress site to another, backing up widgets, and for the theme developers to give users ample widgets. Okay, now these are the reviews that are more than enough to help you make an informed decision if this is the right plugin for you, and the minimum requirements for installation. And it's very straightforward. All you're gonna do is install this plugin. It's very easy, and the active community of contributors and developers. And once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click on download. Now our next option is mainly just go here on the WordPress main dashboard, and when you go here at the tools section, you can see that you have the import and export, right? But what we wanted is to have like a small widget here, so that it's going to be a lot easier and you can customize it any way you wanted. And for that to happen, once again, all you're going to do is go to plugins, and we need to search obviously for the widget export. All right, say for example, we're using this one. It's the same process, and all you're gonna do, if you have the activate button here, just click on that. It's gonna be a lot easier. But if you are on the free plan like mine in this account, I might need to upgrade and activate. And by installing, you agree to the WordPress terms of service and the third-party plugin terms. It's very easy and convenient, right? And once you've done that, once you click on activate the plugin, you would be able to see the changes real time. It will be reflected here when you choose the settings here, the tools. Matter of fact, you would be able to see the widget for the import and export here. It's that straightforward. And again, if you need help, just go here at the WordPress support guides if ever you encounter problems exporting and importing here in WordPress. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.